talk about the specifications of Huawei Mate 10 Lite, then I will say it is just a flagship device at less price. Huawei Mate 10 Lite is a 4G device with 64GB ROM and 4GB RAM, while the display supports 1080 pixels resolutions. The camera section has dual back camera lens of 16 and 2 MP, while the front one holds 13 MP selfie beauty camera. Its powerhouse has fixed battery of 3340 mAh. Let's move to its design and display section, in which we will discuss its display part. The Huawei Mate 10 holds perfect 1080 x 2160 pixels resolution with 480 dpi, which mostly comes in flagship devices. It is using graphics card of Mali G71MP2, which works faster than other Mali cards. We haven't found any blur icon or display, plus its display is the first thing which attracts me the most. Now move towards its design part, in which first comes its front body, which has 5.9 inches screen, which looks so big and good. You can't say bezel-less screen, but yes, it is near to that. The top side has 13 MP selfie camera lens with network sensor at its top with LED notification light. Its downside has only Huawei name on it, while the functional keys are working within on the screen. Check the front design pictures in Huawei Mate 10 Lite review. The top edge has the only mic on it, whereas the below one has a speaker, micro USB port, secondary mic, and audio jack of 3.5mm on it. One edge has volume keys and power button, whereas the opposite one has SIM jacket. Check the edges design pictures in Huawei Mate 10 Lite review. Huawei Mate 10 Lite has a dual back camera lens on its back body, and below to it, the fingerprint sensor is present. Rest of the body is full simple and it doesn't have anything. Check the back design pictures in Huawei Mate 10 Lite review.